What if your money worked harder than you do? While you sleep, while you scroll, while you waste time watching videos like this one. Sounds illegal, right? Relax. It's called passive income. And today, I'll show you 5 real ways people are building it in 2026. But stay till the end, because idea number 5 is the most dangerous and the most powerful. Let's be honest. Most people think wealth comes from working harder, more hours, more stress, more burnout. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Hard work alone never made anyone rich. If trading time for money worked, teachers, nurses, and construction workers would be millionaires. Instead, wealth comes from systems, and passive income is the system where you work once and get paid repeatedly. Sounds exciting, but also scary, because one wrong move and you lose money instead of making it. So let's break this down simply and wisely. 1. What passive income really means. Passive income does not mean do nothing and get rich. It means build something today that pays you tomorrow. Think of it like planting a tree. You water it once, but it gives fruit for years. And if you're between 17 and 30, this is your secret weapon. Time is your unfair advantage. Most people waste it. You will use it. Now let's get into the first income stream. But warning, this one is boring, and that's exactly why it works. 2. Dividend stocks. Dividend stocks pay you just for owning them. No selling, no trading, no daily stress. You buy shares, and companies send you money every few months. It's like owning a tiny piece of a business that mails you a check. Exciting? No. Powerful? Absolutely. Because over time, those payments grow and compound, and suddenly your money has children, and their children have children. Yes, your money becomes a family tree. But dividend stocks alone won't make you rich fast. So let's level up. 3. ETFs. Exchange-traded funds. ETFs are like buying an entire market with one click. Instead of betting on one company, you spread your risk across hundreds. Smart, boring, effective. This is what wealthy people use when they don't want drama. And drama is expensive. But here's the cliffhanger. What if you want income and control? Then you build something of your own. Which brings us to the next idea. 4. Digital products. This is where things get interesting. You create something once, a guide, a course, a template, a tool, and sell it again and again and again. You are no longer selling time, you're selling value. Imagine waking up and seeing notifications that say, someone bought your product, not your labor, your idea. Now, quick question. If you had to teach one thing you know well, what would it be? Exactly. That's a product. But wait, what if you don't want to sell anything? Then you build attention, and attention becomes money. 5. YouTube automation. YouTube is the only job where old videos still pay you. No boss, no clock in time, no commute. Faceless channels use voiceovers, stock footage, AI tools, and smart scripting. The system works even when you're offline. But let me be clear, this is not easy money. It's leverage. You build a machine that produces income, but machines can break, which leads us to the final and most dangerous method. Stay with me. 6. Crypto staking. Crypto staking means locking your crypto and earning rewards for helping run the network. High rewards, high risk. It's like lending money in a digital world. Some people make passive income, others lose everything. This is where fear and greed meet. And if you don't understand what you're doing, the market will teach you the lesson expensively. So what's the rule? Never build passive income on something you don't understand, which leads to the most important part of this video. 7. Warning about scams. If someone promises you guaranteed passive income, zero work, fast money, run. That's not passive income, that's a trap wearing a suit. Real wealth is boring, slow, disciplined, and built on knowledge, because money follows systems and systems follow decisions. And your decision today shapes your life in 10 years. So here's the big question, Uti. In your 20s, you can choose work for money forever, or make money work for you. One path leads to comfort, the other leads to freedom. And freedom is the real luxury. Not cars, not watches, not mansions. Freedom to choose how you live. But this only works if you start now, not next year, not someday. Because time is either your enemy or your employee. And today, you decide which. If you want to get rich in your 20s, then you must watch the video appearing on your screen. Tap that video and learn how to build wealth while others waste time. Your future self is waiting for you on the other side of that click. Thanks for watching.